Hello, children. Welcome back to EduTalk Diaries. In today's video, we will be focusing on Unit 7 Healthy and Wise. A healthy diet is essential for good health and nutrition. It protects you against many chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Eating a variety of foods and consuming less salt, sugar, and oil are essential for a healthy diet. We always hear people saying that health is wealth. It all begins with a healthy diet. Healthy food contains high nutritional value. It is also fresh and healthy. It contains healthy ingredients which are easy to digest. Healthy food is also low in calories. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a new recipe. It is called black pepper chicken wrap. This recipe is also available in your textbook, page 66. Now, let me introduce you to the ingredients. In order to make black pepper chicken wrap, we need tortilla bread or chapati. We also need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, half onion sliced, 150 grams of boneless chicken breast. Make sure to cut it into 2 cm per piece, freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 50 grams of fresh beans thinly sliced, 50 grams carrot thinly sliced, and 2 Romanian lettuce. Before making our wraps, let me introduce you to some cooking verbs. The first verb that I would like to introduce to you is heat. Heat means to make something hot. The next verb is saute. Saute means fry quickly in a little hot oil. Add. Add means to put in something into something else. For example, adding the oil into the frying pan. The meaning of mix is to combine or to put together. The next verb is grill. Grill means to cook food using a grill. The next verb is transfer. Transfer means to move something to another place. For example, moving the spaghetti from the pan to the plate. The next verb is steam. Steam means to cook with vapor from boiling water. It means to cook the food with the steam. Fold. Fold means to cover or to wrap something. And the last word is serve. Serve means to present food or drinks to someone. Okay, we are done with the ingredients and the cooking verbs. Now it's time to make the black pepper chicken wrap. Before making the wrap, make sure to have all these ingredients with you. Let's look at the instructions. This is how black pepper chicken wrap is made. Firstly, you need to heat a tablespoon of oil on a non-stick pan. Then saute the onion. Add chicken once the onion is soft. After that, add pepper and soya sauce. Mix well and transfer the black pepper chicken to a plate. After that, steam or blanch the fresh beans. Then, take a piece of chapati or wrap. Place the lettuce, vegetable mix and chicken in the middle of the wrap. Carefully fold and roll the wrap. Finally, serve it with sauce. It was not that difficult after all, right? Now, it is your turn to write the instructions to make grilled chicken salad wrap. The ingredients to make grilled chicken salad wrap can be seen on page 66 of your textbook. I'm very sure you'll be successful in making your grilled chicken wrap. You can refer to the instructions on page 66 as guidance. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you for being with us. Take care and have a nice day.